We're making vegan tuna with watermelon.
Watermelon tuna, hi. First ingredient, soy sauce. And then you'll need some sesame oil. So the vegans told me to marinate this for 6 hours. Kind of interested to see how it tastes. I'll see y'all in 6 hours. We're putting the marinated watermelon on a sheet tray. I'm gonna give it some more marinade. They're swimming. Back in business. And 350-degree oven for 1 hour. I got some everything bagel seasoning I'm gonna put on top. We'll give you the points for texture.